everyone. Today's video finds us on Koh Lanta. And as you can see, I'm on yet another beautiful tropical beach. I'm at Klong Chak Beach. I'm way at the far south of the island. There's a couple small little beaches near here like Bamboo Beach and Pirate Beach, but this is a pretty far south. The national park and stuff is just down the road, just a little bit more to the south. So anyway, this is a nice little white sand beach. It's pretty secluded. And let's walk around here and let's see what we see today. This is the far south of the beach. And if you go right around that little outcropping of rocks right there, that is where Bamboo Beach is. And you can rent a kayak and go. There's a couple little beach bars. And you can see they have the coconuts and the palms, and then see the interior of the island. Down here is a couple more little bars. I think there's like 3 bars or so. And then you have some houses and stuff up on the hill, a couple little resorts back in there. But this is what you see. The road getting here is pretty windy and not the best road in the whole world, but it's pretty easy to get over here by motorcycle. I drove the car, so you had to dodge a lot of potholes, but it was well worth it when you get here. You have this nice little beach. Looks like somebody's got a drone out. I'll do that here in a little bit. Yeah, I got distracted. I found the guy that was flying the drone. Pretty nice guy. He's from Brazil and he's here on holiday. He lives in Italy now. He said this is his 3rd time here to Koh Lanta. But what a nice little beach. Very, very nice. And I like those rocks with the trees and stuff growing up on them. And just a little bit of paradise. You can come here and you can use these little shade trees or little shade things for free. Sit on the chairs under the umbrellas. And then over here is a little bar. This is the U-Bay. Pretty cool. Has the little flags and the little tables. So this beach does face to the west like most of them. So fantastic spot to come over here to watch the sunset. And one of the fishing boats that's came over here. You have another little tiki bar there with the information. They do a fire show, it says here, at 7 o'clock tonight. I've been to a million fire shows. I kind of like them though. And if you remember, we just did the one in Koh Samet at the Chloe Tale, which was fantastic. Okay, so on this part, we're almost up to the north part of the beach. The sand has a little bit more of the rock and a little bit of the coral. And I saw some people over here with the fins and snorkel equipment. So there must be a little bit of reef right out here if you want to do that. Be easy enough to do, just swim right here. So Klong Chak, the bungalow. Some touristy information stuff here. And there's a little bit of shade on the back, but most of it is just out in the sun. So the sun chairs are kind of a necessity because it does get pretty hot here on this sandy beach. You can see some of the palms back there. And it looks like the slope to this beach is pretty mild, so it wouldn't be no problem for the kids to come and swim. But the sand and the sea are just absolutely perfect. And this little place here, you can get in those little hammocks for free, part of the little bar. And like I said, we are way south of the island. There's a few beaches to the north. The Long Beach is the best beach on the island. There's probably about 8 beaches north of here. Klong Dao, Klong Hin, and a few others. I've done a video of the top 4 beaches of Koh Lanta. I'll probably pin a comment to it if you want to see. Long Beach is my favorite beach on this island, but this is really a nice little place. I like this. It looks like we have the Klong Chak. This must be the little Klong that feeds into the beach right here. So we'll have to wade across some water to go up there to the north. Yeah, here's the little canal that goes inland. Just a short little skip across here. And we're over here. Here's this little resort. Oh, this is perfect. The sand is really nice. On the ocean here. This nice little bay. Yeah, I'm really happy to have found this today. This is really cool. Definitely worth a couple hours. Come over here, walk around on this little beach. You can sit up there, have lunch, have like a fruit smoothie, something like that, and enjoy the day. I don't know the name of this place. They don't have it out here on the beach. They have some nice little bungalows, and then they have a couple little 2-story towers back there. To get here wouldn't be too difficult. You'd have to get in those song towers and come down if you were staying here and didn't have a car or a motorcycle. And you see a lot of people riding the motorcycles here also. Traffic's pretty light on this island, so getting around by scooter is pretty easy. But as always, it is hazardous. You can crash it. So if you have no idea how to ride a motorcycle, then get in the song towers. I've seen way too many tourists sitting on the side of the road bleeding after crashing a motorcycle. When we were over at Koh Lanta a couple weeks ago, there was a guy who really crashed and he was bleeding pretty bad. But it happens. It could happen to even an experienced rider. So you can see up there, looks like they're doing a little renovation. Yeah, this is really nice. This would be a pretty good place to stay here. If you like the solitude, this is definitely the spot. Nice flowers. And then you can see this sand. And a little bit of the rocks here. This is all the way up at the north end. Really, really nice. Yeah, and this water is just absolutely perfect. And this is the whole beach right here. And you can see some islands way off in the horizon. I'm not sure which islands those are. One last little look here. Really, really nice. Yeah, if you're looking for a quiet beach, this is pretty good. So that's going to finish up our video over here at Klong Chak Beach. This is a nice little slice of paradise here on Koh Lanta. It's way south of the island, so a little bit more difficult to get down here, but when you get here, it's well worth it. You have to come in off the main road a couple hundred meters. It's kind of in this little bay over here. So if you come here, you won't be disappointed. I've really had a good time here at this beach. So we're gonna sit out here and relax and kind of enjoy a little bit of this nice weather. So anyway, if you enjoyed the video, smash the like. If you've been here, leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Or if you have any questions, ask me in a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, stick around, and then you're notified when I post a new video. And it's free and easy to do. It helps me out. So until next time, from over here in Koh Lanta, remember, life is a journey. Today, our journey is on this beach. So we will enjoy. Until next time.